All right, now we're looking at part 2. Telling the time in 5-minute increments to the hour. So this is the other half of the clock. So we're going to have a look at the minute label. So you need to go back to the top of your guided notes. So I've got the guided notes here. You're going up to look at this part again, and we're going to do this side this time. So looking at the minute labels, count with me. We're starting at 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. But we don't count 60. 60 goes back to 0 because that is on the hour. We've already done this, that 5 minutes past, 10 past, 25 minutes past or quarter past, 1 quarter, 20 past, 25 past, and half past. But when we go onto the other side of the clock, we go the opposite way around. So because we're going towards the hour, we start counting backwards. So we start with 5-2. Then further away, we have 10-2, same as on the other side. We have 1/4-2 at the 9, just like a quarter past, 22, and 25-2. So if you think about it, what we're doing is we're counting the time as it gets closer to the hour. So here we've gone 5 minutes still to go. Here we've got 10 minutes still to go to the hour, 15 minutes still to go to the hour, all the way down here we got 20 minutes to go to the hour, 25 minutes to go to the hour, and so on. So instead of going away from the hour, which is this way, this time we're going towards the hour. But remember, it's not the same hour. So remember, we're going towards the next hour, and we're going to get up to that a little bit later. So on your guided notes, you need to fill in the 15 or 1/4-2, 20 minutes to, 25 minutes to, 10 minutes to. That's going to be a really good resource for you to look at while you're doing your work. So fill this in. Make sure that you've got your sheets filled in. So here, let's have a look at this one. We know it is 25 minutes to, because the minute hand is pointing at the 7. If we count backwards, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So 25 minutes to the hour. So your turn to check. What is the time? On your sheet, I want you to write down what the time is. Don't worry about the hour. Just how many minutes to. Pause the video and do that now. Well done. Okay, we know it is 10 minutes to, because the minute hand is pointing at the 10. And we've got it written right here. It is 10 minutes to. All right, telling the time on here. We don't have this one. Oh, this is for me to do, sorry. All right, so now I'm looking at, it is 5 minutes to, remember the one that we're going towards, which is 5, because we're really close to 5. It's close to the hour. So 5 minutes to 5. We know it is 5 minutes to 5 because the minute hand is pointing at the 11 and the hour hand is pointing just before the 5 here. Okay, your turn to do this one. What's the time? Remember, it is count minutes to and the hour that is going towards. Do that now. Pause the video. Well done. Okay, so we know that it is 25 minutes to 2. That's the hour that it's going towards because it is pointing at the 7 and the hour hand is pointing halfway or a little bit more than halfway between the 1 and the 2. But when we're on this side of the clock, we're always going towards the next number. Okay, time to be looking at the drawing down the bottom of your sheet. So I want you to draw, using a ruler, the hands on the clock. First, we're going to start with the hour hand. So when we use the hour hand to show 2 times, we draw it before the number. So remember, it's on, so if we're looking at on this side of the number, before it gets there. So looking at 9, we draw it before the 9. Before the 4. your time to draw. Oh no, sorry, my time to draw. 10 minutes to 11. So you can see here, we've gone, there's your 5 minutes, there's your 10 minutes too, and then we're going to draw it towards the 11. So just a little bit before the 11. There we are. We know it is 10 minutes to the 11 because the hour hand is pointing just before the 11 here, and the minute hand is pointing to the 10. Your turn to draw this time. I want you to draw the hour hand to show 20 minutes to 7, and you also have to fill in the minute hands on your clock. Do that now. Remember, it's before the 7. We are going towards the 7, so it's between the 7 and the 6, just like this. Here we are. So we know it is 20 minutes to 7 because you see we're still going this way, and we're pointing before the hour hand is pointing before the 7. The minute hand is on the 8. Okay, second one for you to do. 25 minutes to 5. You need to do both hour hands and minutes. So we need to find 25 minutes. Remember, counting down from the top, moving anti-clockwise. Do it now. Okay, so we've gone 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So our hour hand is going to be, our minute hand's pointing here, and we're going to 5. So we're slightly after the halfway mark. So roughly around there to the 5. We know it is 25 minutes because we're here to 5 because the hour hand is pointing nearly halfway before the 5, and the minute hand is pointing to the 7. All right, now it's time for you to do mastery check number 2 on minutes to the hour. Try again your should do online on Study Ladder, and then there's an option to do an aspire to do, which is a fun game online where I challenge you to take a screenshot of your points and post it onto your OneNote so I can see it. Remember, when you're posting a photo or something, you just need to go up to insert, and then you can use your camera. Excellent. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions. Put your hand up. You'll do great. Bye.